Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 90, and today I'm going to show you how you can change notification bar icons. So I'm talking about this one. So we have to open this bar, then move right here and then click on the edit. So as you can see right now, when you are editing these icons, you have to click, hold, and then drag it for the place that you want to get it. I'm going to put the do not disturb mode in the upper section of the list. And of course you are able to remove these icons from the list right here. And if you want to add another one, so you have to pick, hold, and drag it. After that you have to click done. And as you can see, it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.